to create a blurry glass effect in Canva. A blurry glass effect, also known as Glassmorphism, is so easy to create in Canva. Here in front of us we have an image I have created, and I will now show you how to make a similar image. So what you can see here is a blurry glass effect, and let's make a copy of this image and detach the image, the blurry image here we have in the frame here. So detach the image like this. You can see that this image is blurry, and let's look at edit image here, and you can see the settings here if we click on see all. So the contrast is -71, saturation -16, and blur 35. This depends on the image you are using. So if you're using another photo here, you have to adjust these settings so that it looks good with the photo you are using. But for this photo, I think these settings are perfect. So it's so easy. You just adjust the image and then you drag it till the frame here. And then what you have to do is you have to adjust the size of the blurred image. And you do this by dragging the corners like this. And like this. And you have to move it a little bit like this and drop it here. And of course you are going to do the same for the blurred part here. So that's how easy it is. We have another example here, and this image is actually part of the Social Media Experts Toolkit, which I'm selling on my website ceciliaelise.com. So it's a toolkit with over 1,000 templates, including templates for Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, and other platforms, and also including sales pages and landing pages, and also including a copywriting course and several bonuses. You can get this package for only $7. So that's how easy you can create a blurry glass effect. I will now show you how you can do it from scratch. So let's open another page here, and let's say that we want to use a photo from Canva here. Let's drag and drop this photo. Let's say that we want to try a Glassmorphism effect on this image. So let's make it a little smaller and drag it like this. So, alright. So now we want to place a frame on this image. And frames, you will find them if you go to Elements, and if you scroll down a little bit, you will find frames here. And if you want, you can choose a frame here in Canva's free frame library. So let's say we want to have this. So we're now going to use another copy of the same photo here, and we are going to drag it here till the image, and we have to adjust the size so that it fits the background image. And it's easier if we make it transparent so we can see the background image as well. So, and now drag the corners. So now adjust the transparency so back to none, and now we are going to change the settings here so that it looks like a great blurry glass effect like this. And then you're going to add text. So here you can write text, and it looks better if you change to white text, and you can make the white text a little bit transparent like this. So this is how easily you can create a blurry glass effect in Canva.